Welcome back once again to another Flexicone video where we go into and discuss our electrochemical iodide leaching technology line with periodic loading of 80 kilograms of solids. The material is first loaded into the turboreactor TR250. This reactor is equipped with loading and unloading ports. At 500 watt, the peristaltic pump is responsible for the loading and unloading. So the main purpose of the turboreactor is, of course, to extract the gold from the ore concentrates, right? However, it can also be used for the conditioning of refractory ore concentrates with the purpose to expose the sulfides and the non-ferrous metals, which will in fact conflict and bother the leaching process down the line by increasing the costs of iodine and iodide. So in the presence of these non-ferrous metals, and to increase the amount of gold recovered in such material, the turboreactor is used to condition and oxidate. It can also be equipped with an anode to enhance electrical chemical processing speeds, equipped with a cavitational type turbo mixer, which is also designed for maximum extraction and exposure of ore concentrate. The pulp is supplied by the peristaltic pump after the 2 hours. Now, why 2 hours? You ask. Well, because it's the average time. It's the time set for 2 hours, but this depends, of course, on the concentrate, the size of the gold, the amount of gold, etc. On average, we have noticed it takes 2 hours. So, with the loading of 80 kilograms, we get almost half a ton per day with 3 shifts. The pulp is fed into the electrochemical reactor FLR100, which is also equipped with a power supply. This reactor is designed for further gold extraction from the ore concentrate, as well as filtration and also iodine regeneration in the case there is no additional electrolyzer. Next, a clarified solution is supplied to the electrolyzer. Its task is to regenerate iodine and iodide, achieving the necessary concentration of the iodide solution. It is equipped with an anode, a cathode, and a power supply, a separating ceramic membrane that divides the anode and the cathode sections. It is placed on a barrel, which serves as a storage function as well as to reduce space. Since mobile factories are limited in size, the use of barrel types is highly recommended. Now, the last item presented in this line is a column, and it is an exchange column. Its function is to extract iodine from the wash water. Since the diluted iodine solution after the second and third filtration, the concentration of iodine is not suitable for the use of the turboreactor. For this, the wash water is passed through an ion exchange resin in the column, and iodine is absorbed onto the resin while the water can be used for recirculation. 2 columns are used in the line. One column operates on iodine sorption. The second column operates on iodine desorption. Finally, a small vacuum nudge filter. It is designed for filtering the gold precipitate. Typically, the precipitate washed from the cathodes contains many non-ferrous metals, so the volume of the nudge filter, 14 liters, is sufficient to filter all the precipitate, and it can be purified to 99.999 purity using the same iodine iodide solution. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Be sure to visit flexicone.net. Take care.